you can't use this picture right now Facebook post. So if you are trying to make a post on Facebook, but unfortunately Facebook gives you a message which says you can't use this picture right now, error. So in this video I'll show you step by step why Facebook is giving you this message and how to fix this problem. So the first one is before now I have 3 steps for you to fix this problem. So the step 1 is after you open up now your mobile phone, now go to your Play Store, App Store, and make sure to update your Facebook app. So go ahead and search for Facebook like this. After you search for Facebook like this now, so go ahead now and update your Facebook. After you update your Facebook app now, just now go back and open the Facebook app. So open the Facebook like this. So let's open the Facebook app like this now. After you open the Facebook app like this now go ahead and try to make a post. But if you try to make a post and still it's not working for you, it's giving you the error message. So now try the second method. So the second method to fix the problem, all you have to do now, open the Facebook app. After you open the Facebook, now go to your menu. After you come to this menu, now scroll all the way to down and tap on this logout button. So now go ahead and log out on your Facebook account. After you log out, then you can log in again. So but before you log in again, after you log out now, all you have to do now, go ahead now and restart your mobile phone. After you restart your mobile phone, from there, all you have to do now, after you restart the mobile phone, now you should still try using another network. Make sure to change the network that you are using. If you are using Wi-Fi, please try to get another Wi-Fi to use it. But if you are using your mobile phone data, try to switch it to another line. As you can see now, I have 2 lines, so try to switch it to another line. So after you do this now, from there, now go back and log in again. After you log in again, so from there your problem will be solved. But if you try this method and still your problem does not be solved, all you have to do now, after you open the Facebook app now, here is the last method to fix this problem. So the last method to fix this problem, all you have to do now, after you open the Facebook like this, now tap on this menu. After you open this menu, scroll to down, go to this help and support. So from this help and support, tap on this help center. So from this help center, now it will allow you to send a message to Facebook or to report a problem that you are facing on your Facebook account. After you report the problem, it may take like 1 day or 2 days before they respond to you back. So before they respond to you, so you need to stop doing 3 things. You need to stop liking other people's posts. You need to stop following, like accepting friend requests, and you need to stop sending friend requests, and you need to stop commenting on other people's posts. So if you stop doing these 3 things, this may help you to recover your account quickly. Because sometimes the reason why Facebook gives this, like, you give message of you can't use this picture right now on Facebook, because most likely you are making too much action in a short time on Facebook. So by making too much action means that you are liking more people post, you are following more people page on Facebook, you are like accepting friend requests much in a day, and you are commenting much or more in a day, and your account is not that big account. So if you try doing all this action in a short period of time, so Facebook will start flagging your account like it's a robot account. So all you have to do now, stop all doing all these things for like 3 days. If you stop doing for like 3 days, from there your account will be recovered. You can be able to make a post and make a comment and make a like on your Facebook account. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.